Hello children, welcome to School Bus. Today our lesson is adjectives. What can you say about these pictures? Yes, a fat man, a red frock, a tall tree, a fat man. Here, the word fat describes the noun man. A red frock. Here, the word red describes the noun frock. A tall tree. Here, the word tall describes the noun tree. Fat, red, and tall are describing words. They describe nouns. We call these words adjectives. Let's look at some more examples. A round table. Here, the word round is an adjective. It describes the noun table. A long snake. The word long is an adjective. A cute puppy. Word cute is an adjective. A colorful fish. Here, the word colorful is an adjective. It describes the noun fish. Okay, this is your homework. Identify the adjectives in these sentences. This is a long train. I have a pink shirt. This is a beautiful flower. The boy has a small car. This is a heavy bag. Like and subscribe School Bus for more videos. See you next time.